In this tutorial, I will be showing you the front loop single crochet. It'll end up giving you this lovely little rib stitch. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. With your yarn, go ahead and make your slip knot, and chain as many as you need. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You want to chain 1, and from the first loop from the hook, insert your hook and go ahead and single crochet all the way across. Alright, we're at the last loop. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through, and turn your work. So we'll chain 1, and normally for single crochets you would go through both loops, but in this, since it's a front loop single crochet, we're just going to insert our hook to the front loop and pop up in the middle, yarn over and pull through. So you insert your hook just through one stitch, pop up through the middle, yarn over and pull through, pop up in the middle, yarn over and pull through, and we'll just keep doing this method all the way to the end of the row. Alright, we're at our last stitch. Just go through the first loop, pop up in the middle, yarn over it, and pull through. Turn your work. And chain 1. And we'll do the same thing on the next row. So insert, you only want to have one loop, right pop up in the middle, yarn over and pull through. And there you have it. The front loop single crochet. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know down in the comments what type of project you'll be doing with your front loop single crochet. With new videos being posted every Monday, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. Have a joyful crochet day.